We are all deep thinkers. We just don't all have spaces where we feel our thoughts are valued, understood, or received gracefully. We are not naturally fearful. We are naturally curious. Fear is developed from how we perceive personal experiences and the experiences of others. Fear remains once faith and understanding are exhausted. Fear is an indicator of there being more to discover and more questions asked. Recognizing and understanding what pains us is central to lasting maturity and developing our self-awareness. Most fake people simply don't know how to be themselves yet, fear being judged or fear being excluded. Pretending is often a form of protection. Some used drugs to silence the pain. Others used them to feel the pain they silenced. We experience so many forms of beauty, we judge some as less than beautiful by comparison. Presence is when you become the moment. Awareness is realizing the moment is something you can become. The light was not understood before the darkness. Light was brought into existence. We are all at home in the darkness. We are all at peace in the light. Without self-awareness and empathy, our intellect only expresses our ignorance. The world has never been falling apart around you. It has been falling together. You're witnessing growth, not collapse. Once you understand the true meaning and appearance of perfection, you will see it is the only thing we experience. The root of suffering is desire. We can then become attached to the desire itself, the feeling of receiving it or the feeling of not receiving it. Mercy is an unearned gift, given and received not in celebration, but to inspire a future one. The miraculous life we experience is a shared gift, and understanding the depths of that gift amounts to answering the fundamental question of philosophy. Language is a sonic fingerprint, allowing the simultaneous expression of what we wish to be heard, what we wish to keep secret, and what we wish to understand. True thoughtfulness is finding out how others like to be interacted with, and in what capacity that can be accommodated respectfully and realistically for all involved. The preschool of human consideration is treating others how we want to be treated. What we love, another may hate. Desire is an opportunity presented by and linked to human consciousness. Freedom is found in understanding desire, not eliminating it. Once we grow or evolve, what we gain becomes part of us. We don't lose or forget new perspectives granted by deeper awareness. We choose to acknowledge or ignore them. No one deserves better. No one deserves anything. That's why we have so much to be grateful for.